Mu nteekateeka ya local government baba bafuna obuyambi buyita allowances bakozesa 25% kubeddayo mu byalo mu nteekateeka ya local government. Naye olw'okuba KCCA yafuuka ekitongole tekyalina 25%. Era eyalibadde nga allowance waba LC1 guba omutwalo mu kitongole n'emirimu gyayo kyonna. Naye ate ogwo omutwalo oluusi nagwo tegujja.
Well, I'm very happy with the Amina to raise these issues because I have never heard of them.
Muzeeyi musanyufu.
I didn't know that you don't get your 10,000 and that you are no longer with the local government, you are now in another category, and that the money which is left to the local governments is not available here. So I'm going to take it up. I have never heard of this. But this one was because also of the fault of the people of Kampala. Because you elected people who are after other things. So they have never raised, they have never insisted to call a meeting like this. So you can see, if you elect somebody like Amina, then things will be easier. Now the issue of rent, I didn't get it where I will have Amina will explain it to me better. Now, being agents, my agents on Friday, on Thursday, let me talk to the NRM who are involved so that we don't corner Ghana, we harmonize. But it makes a lot of sense because you know the people. So that's a very good proposal.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.